Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a powerful Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
Download the Muse Launcher Themes application from the Play Store first. Then you can get this exact theme setup on this launcher by using some of the theme on the settings. So first you can find a super calendar widget on the top, followed by the music player and Google widget. And some of the applications look like iOS shell and also the dark ball. So going inside the second page of this launcher, which actually cool, and it's have the codes widget on the top, followed by some of the application icons. So you can get a super red color wallpaper on the background, and the third page filled with the network settings. It have the network widgets and followed by some applications and also the dark ball. So these are the widgets present in this launcher. So you can get all the widgets here. You can just edit it and place wherever you just need it. And the last page, we can find the all application which was categorized by the category. Then just click on the setting option and just click on the theme section. Now just swipe down and you can find this exact theme setup on the just on the bottom. So this is the theme, the 27th theme. Just apply the theme and get this theme on your mobile phone. Look like the same. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.